I'm Cassie Thrasher. I'm doing a video on how to cross-match blood. I have my donor and my recipient blood that's in the EDTA tubes and labeled recipient and donor. I have pipettes to transfer plasma and red blood cells. I have 3 plain tubes that's marked minor, major, and control. And I have 2 more purple top tubes that's labeled donor and recipient. So the first thing we're going to do is centrifuge these. And then we'll come back. I'm Cassie Thrasher. We're going to continue our cross-match protocol. I've got my blood that's spun down. We're going to take and separate the plasma from the blood cells. Okay, we're going to do that same process for the other one. Okay. And then we're going to add some saline. Resuspend it. Resuspend. And then we're going to centrifuge these again. And then we'll be back. Okay, we're back. I've got my tubes labeled minor, control, and major. And we've washed our red blood cells 3 times. So this is from the recipient. This is from the donor. I'm going to pull the plasma off. Same thing over here. Okay, so now we have our blood cells and our plasma separated. And so now we're going to have start with our major tube. And we're going to put a recipient, 2 drops of recipient plasma, which my recipient's over here.
Becky, Marsha Williams is on line 1 for you.
With 2 drops of the donor RBC. One, 2. Okay. That's for our major. major. Okay. And then we're going to take, for our minor tube, we're going to take donor plasma here. One, two. And recipient, RBCs. Recipient. One, two. And then that gives us our minor. And then for the third one, we're going to take recipient plasma. This is my recipient plasma. Take a couple of drops of that. 1, 2. With recipient RBCs. And then that's our control. Okay. And then we're going to place these, invert them just a couple of times gently. We're going to place these in a water bath because we don't have an incubator, so I'm just using a cup of water. And we'll let that sit for 30 minutes and then we'll come back. Alright, we're going to finish up our cross match. I have my major. Not seeing any agglutination from there. Control, of course, is good. And minor. Nothing there either. So now I'm going to take my minor and look at this under a microscope. No agglutination there. And then I'm going to take my major and look at it under a microscope. There's no agglutination there either. And that's it. Hey, I'm just adding a side note that on my water bath it was 37 degrees Celsius.